What's up guys, today we're playing Build a Boat and I'll be showing you how to make the best boat in Build a Boat. Not this. Hey. First do a cross. No, not a cross, a block. A block. A box. Build a box.
Oh God.
Using this. We're actually watching this. Oh my god, this. And then put this thing. Wait, where is it? Did I miss it? Oh. And put this thing like that. Do it. Oh. Make sure it's upwards. It was black.
Yeah,
Maybe.
Dad, speak Tagalog.
No.
Oh God.
No. Hey. Like that. Put your body. Oh, it's full now. Yes.
Oh my.
There you go. Now you can first. Or already first. Hey. Ow. Do slowly because you might do slowly. Do only slowly. Because, oh my god. Because this is what I'm gonna show you in the end what's gonna happen if you're too fast. I'm gonna show you in the end. Oh my god, no. No, oh my god. Oh, I'm too fast, too fast, too fast, too fast, too fast, too fast. Do that. And there. Go, 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 go. Get the treasure. Now we got a nice boat. And I will show you when you go too faster. Yeah. Let's go. Yeah. Yes, bro. Oh my god. You have that too. Bye guys. Thank you for watching.